66 million years ago, the Earth was very different from today. Giant dinosaurs roamed the forests, and the warm and humid climate brought life from oceans to jungles. But in a distant point of the sky, an invisible threat had quietly set its course towards our planet. A giant asteroid, 10 to 12 kilometers wide, was approaching Earth at a speed of about 20 kilometers per second. This celestial object was no ordinary one. It was powerful enough to cause one of the greatest mass extinctions in Earth's history and completely upset the planet's biological balance. This massive rock, which scientists would later name the Chicxulub Meteor, would bury not only 75% of all living species, but also the ruling species of the era, the dinosaurs, into the dusty pages of history. The meteor struck the surface near the present-day village of Chicxulub, on the coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The moment of impact instantly reshaped an evolutionary process that had lasted hundreds of millions of years. The energy released upon impact was equal to about 10 billion atomic bombs. The crater reached a diameter of 180 kilometers and a depth of 20 kilometers. This collision vaporized everything in the region. Rocks on the surface melted instantly as clouds of lava and dust covered the sky. Billions of tons of sulfur, carbon, and metallic particles thrown into the atmosphere blocked sunlight from reaching the Earth's surface. Global temperatures dropped dramatically. Agricultural chains broke down. Photosynthesis stopped, and ecosystems collapsed. The silence that followed the impact did not signify an end, but the beginning of an extinction. Alongside dinosaurs, marine reptiles, flying dinosaurs, many plant species and plankton fell victim to this chain disaster. Especially the destruction of vegetation caused herbivores to starve to death, and then carnivores to disappear as the food chain collapsed. The Chicxulub disaster is considered one of the 5 great mass extinctions in Earth's history. But what made it so unique was not a geological, but a celestial cause. In other words, the destruction came not just from beneath the ground, but from beyond the sky. For many years, the Chicxulub crater remained hidden from sight. Most of it was underwater, and the rest was covered by sediments. In the 1970s, geologists discovered strange circular structures while searching for oil off the Mexican coast. Realizing these structures were formed by impact, not volcanoes, was the first step in the discovery of Chicxulub. In 1991, scientists conclusively proved that this structure was caused by a meteorite impact. Today, the Chicxulub crater is a unique research site not only for geology, but also for astrogeology, paleontology, and climatology. This massive extinction brought not only an end, but also a new beginning. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, and ultimately, the evolutionary journey of humans. Chicxulub was not just a period in Earth's story, but a turning point. According to some scientists, if Chicxulub had not happened, humans might never have evolved. The dominance of the dinosaurs would have continued, and mammals would have remained in the shadows. This meteor was a cosmic intervention that changed the course of the planet. It was as if the universe took up a pen and rewrote Earth's destiny. The Chicxulub meteor not only illuminated the past, but also served as a warning for the future. NASA and many space agencies developed near-Earth object tracking programs inspired by this event. In 2022, NASA's DART mission deliberately crashed into an asteroid to change its course, reflecting Chicxulub's legacy through modern technology. Today, scientists are developing measures against meteor threats. Because as Chicxulub showed, the order of the universe is not always peaceful. Cosmic balance can sometimes be destructive, yet humanity now has the ability to learn from the past. Today, Chicxulub is not just a giant crater hidden off the Yucatan coast. It is also a symbol standing at the crossroads of science, history, and cosmic destiny. It marks not only the extinction of dinosaurs, but the moment when the entire evolutionary fate of the planet was reshaped. The Chicxulub Meteor is much more than just a rock fallen from the sky. It is a screen carved into time itself. No matter how much time passes, that impact has left a mark on Earth's memory forever. If you enjoyed this fascinating cosmic journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. You can also turn on notifications to stay updated on future content.